Since 2010, EVgo's mission has been to expedite mass adoption of electric vehicles by creating a convenient, fast, reliable and affordable EV charging network that delivers fast charging for everyone.
Maryland has a goal of having 300,000 electric vehicles on the road by 2025. Our partnership with EVgo also will be bringing 4 other charging stations similar to this one.
And I will say having these chargers here in Hagerstown is a big deal because Western Maryland and the Eastern Shore are 2 areas where there's a lot of travel and a need for these chargers.
To make the greatest impact, we need to accelerate EV adoption, and the electricity charging these new EVs needs to come from clean energy sources.
I tremendously appreciate the program design that allowed us to be here and now and not a year and a half from now. So thanks very much. I appreciate it.
I very much am looking forward to what's next for electric vehicles and electric vehicle charging in Maryland. Thank you very much.